सिद्धार्थ मोरे यूट्यूब चॅनल तुमचं स्वागत करत आहे। आज नौसेना दिन दिवस आपल्या चॅनल दाखवत आहे। नौसेना दिवस, चला बघायला जाऊया नौसेना दिवस।
Showcasing global maritime technology. Where tradition meets global strength.
आप सबसे निवेदन है कि अपने मोबाइल फोन साइलेंट मोड पर डालें और तस्वीरें खींचते समय अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें। संपर्क करें। वे यहाँ सभी के लिए एक सुचारू, सुरक्षित और आरामदायक अनुभव सुनिश्चित करने के लिए मौजूद हैं। आपके ध्यान के लिए धन्यवाद।
The Navy Day is celebrated. अमर्त्य वीर पुत्र हो, दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ सोच लो, अथक से पुण्य बनता है। बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो।
बच्चे हमारे देश और समाज की सर्वश्रेष्ठ मूल्यों और ताकत का प्रतीक होते हैं। वे हमारे देश का भविष्य है। एक तेजी से बदलते हुए संसार में हैं नेवी चिल्ड्रन स्कूल के प्रतिभाशाली छात्र। जी हाँ, 1971 की विजय का जश्न मनाते हुए अब आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है लोकप्रिय देशभक्ति गीत तेरी मिट्टी। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें नेवी चिल्ड्रन स्कूल के नन्हे कलाकारों का।
क्लैप करो रे। इधर ही खड़े खड़े, उधर जाके क्लैप के सामने भी आएंगे।
for supremacy. Indian Navy. Choreography of three forces that move as one heartbeat. True might is built, not borrowed. Across Indian shipyards, metal meets imagination. Design
पहचान का ऑप्शन रहेगा तो ले लेंगे, अंदर छोड़ देते हो ऐसे। ये कमोडर वगैरह सब खड़े हैं।
थोड़ा सा और पीछे की तरफ चलिए, आप चलिए पीछे की तरफ थोड़ा सा। रिक्वेस्ट करो आप लोगों से, थोड़ा सा पीछे चलते रहिए, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए। बैरिकेड के बीच में आप लोग फंस सकते हैं।
The names are available in your respective brochures, which I do hope you will keep and cherish as a souvenir of this year's ceremonies. A QR code is placed at the entrance and at
Flags and standards that are relevant to this evening's ceremonies. The national flag is borne afloat on the extreme marching right, along with the Indian.
You will be utterly captivated by the skill and dexterity of the young cadets of 48, and over the past 8 decades has remained true to its aim of instilling skill and values through nautical and allied training. The Sea Cadet Corps now boasts of 10 units across India. The Corps' more than orders so they could sheath their arms and lower their flags.
As the border of India expanded beyond their shoreline, the tradition of sounding the drums became a tradition for showcasing the armed forces on ceremonial occasions. 4th December, being Navy Day, is traditionally earmarked for the conduct of beating retreat ceremony. Owing to the Navy Day operational demonstration held in Thiruvananthapuram, this ceremony was accordingly rescheduled. Since the practice of lowering the ensign at sunset is universal across the armed forces, the beating retreat ceremony traditionally culminates with sunset. As India gained her independence, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Indian Navy Marching Band as they make a grand entrance into this historic plaza, accompanied by the cadets of the Sea Cadet Corps. Let me once again draw your attention to the flags and standards of the Republic of India. The white ensign of the Indian Navy and the flags of the city of Mumbai, the Sea Cadet Corps, and this evening's host organization, the Western Naval Command. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again for the Indian Navy Band.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you look up towards your right, emerging from the sky are the Indian Naval Chetak helicopters to commence the operational demonstration. INAS 321 Fleet Support Squadron, affectionately addressed as Angels. Aptly named, these Angels of Mercy are tested by the innumerable lives they have saved in search and rescue missions or in prompt evacuation of casualties from the battlefield. gentlemen, the Chetak helicopters will now showcase the process of recovering survivors at sea. Please put your hands together for the angels. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the Chetaks are lowering the trained divers. In an actual scenario, these divers would be lowered into the water to rescue the survivors. As you can see, the diver is now being wheeled back into the aircraft using its rescue winch, which is a mechanical device fitted on the aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, watch on closely as the Chetaks will now perform the elegant piano keys display, creating the effect of floating keyboard in the sky. This demonstration is being led by Angel Leader Commander Kaustubh Deshmukh with Lieutenant Utpal. The next 3 aircraft are being flown by Lieutenant Commander Rajat Balamohan with Lieutenant Suraj, Lieutenant Commander Angad with Lieutenant Mani Dixit, and Lieutenant Commander Ranjit with Lieutenant Ashant. This demonstration highlights the ability to make precise adjustments and hold position with centimeter accuracy, even at low speed. This unique ability of a helicopter is what makes it extremely versatile and sets it apart from a fixed-wing aircraft. Executing this maneuver requires the pilot to use all 4 limbs to control the aircraft, demanding immense psychomotor skills and practice. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing the kind of coordination, skill and finesse that only rotary wing aviation can offer. Astonish you, ladies and gentlemen, to learn that these blue birds have operated in all the 7 continents, including Antarctica. The Chetaks have been meeting all assigned tasks with these for over 60 years and are still on the gallop. They continue to remain the platform of choice for every mission, irrespective of tech, time, and sea.
रेडियो सज्जनों, कृपया समुद्र के संकट इस समय जान बचाने की अद्भुत क्षमता और कौशल का इतना उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाले इन बहादुर जवानों के लिए जोरदार तालियों से उनका उत्साहवर्धन करें। जैसा कि आपने देखा, रोटरी विंग विमान यानी Rajpal POME. And that, ladies and gentlemen, completes the successful insertion of the Marcos Prahar.
As you can imagine, it is not easy, this slithering business. It needs speed, strength, agility, tremendous focus and courage beyond measure. Lives are at stake, but the never say die attitude is a core attribute of the Marine Commandos. It's no wonder that they are revered amongst the most elite special forces in the world.
देश की रक्षा के लिए सतत मुस्तैद भारतीय नौसेना के वीर जाबाज मरीन कमांडोज ने लगातार कठिन अभ्यास की बदौलत इस हैरतअंगेज प्रदर्शन को वर्तमान स्वरूप प्रदान किया है। एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन बहादुरों के लिए। showcasing their remarkable agility and versatility. The demonstration is led by Commander leader Commander Ashwini Kumar. The crew are Commander D.P. Singh, Commander Vinay Tiwari, and Commander Ashish Managuli. For Harbour 2, we have Commander Abhishek Kar, Lieutenant Commander Shaurya, and Commander Kulbhushan. The Harpoon will now demonstrate clockwise and anti-clockwise stop turns to 360 degrees. As the name suggests, a spot is a maneuver where the aircraft turns one and over to keep its height and ground position. Mark 42 Bravo has long been regarded as one of the most formidable aerial threats to hidden submarines, with sensors specifically developed for anti-submarine warfare, including its sonar dome to enable the precise detection and tracking of elusive submarines concealed in the depths of the ocean. The range of effective anti-submarine weapons, including depth charges, satellite-based vehicles, making it a highly capable and versatile asset of maritime security.
Before the Harpoon sign off, they perform their customary salute, gracefully tipping their noses towards the audience, the vibrant city of Mumbai, and the majestic gateway of India. Ladies and gentlemen, this is perhaps the last time the legendary Harpoons flying the Seeking Mark 42 Bravos will be performing at the beating retreat and tattoo ceremony of the citizens of Mumbai. The venerable Seeking Mark 42 Bravo will soon hand over its 5-decade-long legacy to the newly inducted state-of-the-art multi-mission helicopter MH-60 Romeo.
देवियों और सज्जनों, शानदार प्रदर्शन के बाद क्षितिज की ओर लौटते हुए
that exemplify the Indian Navy's ongoing efforts to showcase our rich military and maritime traditions, which seamlessly integrate the present generation with those to follow.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the chief guest. Rear Admiral Shamir Jha, Nausena Medal, Flag Officer Commanding, Maharashtra Naval Area. You are requested to remain standing for the national anthem which will follow. Personnel in uniform are to salute. देवियों सज्जनों, मुख्य अतिथि पहुंच चुके हैं। आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। वर्दीधारी कर्मी सलामी देंगे।
The chief guest has arrived and all are requested to remain standing for the national anthem. Personnel in uniform are to salute. Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem.
Ladies Please to your right, approaching the venue for the first aerial ceremony, is the Angel Banner formation from INAS 321 East Coast Squadron consisting of 4 Chetak aircraft. The lead aircraft is proudly flown of beloved national tricolor, and the aircraft behind is flying the Naval Ensign.
Chetaks are versatile, lightweight, multi-role helicopters that have been rendering yeoman service to the country for more than 6 decades. The Angel Banner formation is led by Commander Kaustubh Deshmukh, Commanding Officer INS 321 Fleet Support Squadron. The other pilots are Lieutenant Commander-in-Chief with Lieutenant Rashank, Lieutenant Commander Bala Mohan with Lieutenant Suraj, and Lieutenant Commander Angad with Lieutenant Mani Dixit.
जाने वाले हारपून्स का आकाश में शानदार आगमन। इनका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं हारपून लीडर कमांडर अश्विनी कुमार, क्रू कमांडर डीपी सिंह, कमांडर विनय तिवारी, कमांडर आशीष, हारपून 2,
Next